This is the Brandon Williams Show. We're doing Sink or Float Challenge.
Okay, what we have here?
A bucket filled with water.
And right here, what do we have?
Toy.
All the toys we're gonna experiment on, right?
Uh-huh.
To see what's gonna sink or float.
But this is not a toy.
This is not a toy, that's a stapler.
But my mommy picked this out for no reason.
We're gonna try it and see. We wanted to do a variety of things. So we're gonna do it one at a time and we're gonna see which one sinks or floats, right, Brandon?
Mm-hmm.
What's the first one you're gonna do?
A pencil.
Pencil, okay. Let's see what it does.
Floats.
It floats. Alrighty. What's the next one?
The stapler.
You want to see the stapler? Okay. Let's put the stapler in there.
Oh, see.
It sunk. Yes. It sunk down. What's the next one?
This little guy.
What is that?
A cane.
We're going to call it a cane. Let's see if it can fit in that big old bucket.
No.
Oh, it barely fits. But what does it look like it's doing?
See?
Yeah, it's still sitting up, so we'll say it's floating, right?
It's floating.
Okay, what's next, Brandon?
The glass.
This is a glass. Hold it up. Let me see. Glass. All right. Don't drop it. Do it very gently in there. What is it doing?
It's floating.
Floating. Good job. So even though it's kind of heavy, it still floats, right?
Uh-huh.
Right. What's next?
My tongue.
A cup. Let me see the plastic cup. Let's do it slowly. Ready? Plastic cup. Let's see what happens. Put it in there. What is it doing? What is it doing?
Floating.
Floating. Good job. We already did the cup, so let's do something else this time.
The baseball.
Okay, is that a big old hard baseball? Is it heavy? Is it heavy, Brandon?
No.
Kind of heavy, right?
Floating.
It's floating. So even though it's heavy, it still floats, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, look at it floating. All right. What's the next one?
The soccer ball.
Now, is the soccer ball heavier than the baseball, or is it soft? Is it lighter? Lighter? Okay, let's see what it does.
Floating.
It's floating, so both the soccer ball and the baseball are doing what?
Floating.
Floating, and they weigh different weights, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What's next?
The big thing.
We have a big car.
Uh-huh.
So first we had the little ball versus the big ball. Now we have the big car versus the little car. All right, let's see what happens with the big car. Dum dum dum. Floats. What about the little car?
It's sink.
Is it
Afloat.
sinking? It's floating too.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Are you trying to make it sink? Oh, it is sinking. Look at it. It sunk all the way down, right? So at first it floated, then it sunk, right?
I know that go stay up.
What, the
glass.
cup?
Uh-huh.
Yep, no matter what you do to it, it still stays up, right?
Uh-huh.
All right.
The block.
The blocks.
Float.
Floats. Good job, Brandon. Let's see. Now, what is that?
Builder man.
That's the builder man, and he's doing what?
Floating.
Floating. All right. So let's count the things that are floating, okay? Let's go very slow. Ready? 1, 2. That's the same thing. So let's call that 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7. So we got 7, and we're gonna say this is floating too, right? 8. 8 things floating, right?
Can I put this?
What things have sunk? The car is 1. The stapler is
1,
2, and the little car is 3. So we have 3 things that sunk, right?
We have 7 things float.
Good job.
Do you have fun watching the sink or float challenge? Subscribe to my channel.